Screencast will highlight our refined literacy Blackboard sites for dual language grades 6 through 8 and monolingual literacy classes grades 6 through 8. The personalized learning literacy Blackboard shell will be available at the end of next week by January 18th. A huge thank you to our development team. They met over the past 4 months. They organized common assessments, they developed templates, and they created Blackboard features that empower students, teachers, and families, because that's really what this is all about. I'm going to do a very quick overview of one of these shells. You're going to notice that all of the shells follow the same format, and in the video that Kristen did for us, you're going to be able to see how you can download that the shells into your own shell that you have if you choose to do that this year or if you choose to do that at the beginning of next year. This is the 6th grade literacy workshop shell, and it opens up to the welcome page. In the past, it just had an overview of the class, but Joseph Kovneski, he did an exceptional job embedding these quick links. So you have these here. He has a video that is actually on each of the shells that will show you how you can link different pages in the Blackboard page to this image. Then this is truly a landing page for families and students. They can just go to this welcome page and everything is right there. They don't necessarily even have to go to the navigation board. They can just click on this image, Week at a Glance, and it'll instantly go there. The Week at a Glance feature was added with a template. This template can be modified. You can click here and it'll force you to make a copy, and then you can add your information. What's nice about this is as soon as you make a copy, it is in the shared drive, and then it will instantly update on this Blackboard page. If you don't like the layout of this template, feel free to change it. It's completely okay. Staff information has stayed consistent. You'll enter your information there. Then we have the course overview. Course overview looks pretty similar from what you've seen in the past. It's also in the shared drive, so anytime a team of teachers and coaches help change this within the shared drive, it will automatically update on your Blackboard page. You don't have to worry about downloading anything extra. It automatically updates. The course syllabus has stayed pretty consistent, and that is also in the shared drive and will automatically update if and when it's updated. Class resources are here. Information for each of the units at a glance. And then we also added in the navigation board a lot of communication devices that you can use, like discussion board, journals, voice thread, all right here so that students can access that very quickly. I think the part that the team was really excited about was the units and common assessments, and this is hidden from students, it's just for teachers. When you open that up, it has all of the folders that you're accustomed to, but then when you open up each of the folders, it has all of the language workshop planners there, so you do not have to necessarily go and in between the comprehensive literacy site and this site. It's all housed in one spot. The literature discussion group planners are here, and again, if and when those are changed, they'll automatically update on your Blackboard page. And the part that we're really excited about is the beginning of the common assessments. This again is in the shared drive, so coaches and teachers are going to be adding to this. And then when they add to this document, we will have more pre-assessments before a unit. We'll add formative assessments and summative assessments. This will be wonderful, not just for new teachers, but for all of us. And that's it. I want to go back to that team. Just really want to thank the team because they really put a lot of thoughtful, hard work into it. So if you see them, make sure you say thank you. And thanks so much for listening.